Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to reset your root password. Sometime you maybe forget the root password whenever you are installing the Vicidial, or might be someone might be someone installed it and they did not provide the root password. The first thing you need the console of the system, of the server actually, and if you have the console then only you can do it. If you don't have console, then you cannot reset the password. That's the thing. Sometime maybe vendors are not providing you the console, only the dialer web page are there, giving you. On that case you cannot do it. But yes, if you have an in-house server, or your cloud server has a console which you can easily access, it could be possible you can reset it absolutely. So let me show you something. So assume that I forget the password. Let me put some password so you can check the login password is showing incorrect. Okay, so let's go how to reset this password. So to reset this password, first you have to reboot the server. Now you have to press E. Now you have to type here init bin sh. Now you have to save it. Now if you are going to F10, then it will boot as a single user mode and you can reset your password. Let me show you. So now it's booting up. Now here you have to type mount remount, hit enter. Now you have to put the password. Now put your new password here. Now password updated successfully. Now exit from here. Now hit enter. Now let me try with new password. Voila. So it's working. Thank you for watching our video. If there is any questions, please let us know, and please subscribe us and hit the bell icon to get the notification.